So this is what I get hit with today. Hey Bruce, can you fix this? Holy shit, man, what'd you do? Oh, I got in a little bit of a wreck. Can you put a plate over that for me? I can cut all this shit out and this shit out and maybe put you a plate from like here to there. But the worst part is the other side. Hey Bruce, can you fix this for me? Oh, damn, that don't look bad. Oh, wait. No, I can't even get in there to weld that. The whole fucking car is together. What a day. Oh, and then can you weld that on the front of here? Maybe, I guess.